Hey y'all, what's up? I'm Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to do your own gel or shellac nails. Right now it's really great because, well, it's really great to have these on hand anyways, because you will, it will almost immediately make your money's worth whenever you go to the salon. If you just buy the UV light and then the nail kit, the gel nail polishes on your own, you'll only spend like what you'll spend one time going to the salon to get your nails done. I know a lot of people don't feel like they have the patience or whatever to do their own nails, but that's okay. And because of COVID, a lot of people aren't able to get their nails done. So I thought today would be a good time to show you how to do your own gel and shellac nails. As you can see, I already have some on my nails. This is from the previous time that I had done my nails. So I'm going to show you how to remove the nail polish, because if you remove it by just ripping it off, then it is going to pull some layers of your nails off along with it, and then you're going to have more fragile, not as strong nails as you would if you just soak it off. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is file off whatever top coat you might have on your nails. So I just have this filing block, and then I'm going to go along the nails that I have the nail polish on and then file off just the top coat. Okay, now that the top coat is off of all of my nails, what you're going to need is some cotton swabs, whatever kind you have, and then also I use foil squares, and that's what my nail salon always used. When I used to go, they would use foil squares to hold the cotton swab onto your nails while it's soaking. So I have my own aluminum foil, and then I cut them into little squares. Really easy. They don't have to be perfect. As you can see, like some of them, they're different sizes. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. And what we're going to do, I have some acetone, just regular old acetone. Got it for like $1 from H-E-B a long time ago. I've used a lot of it. I do my nails a lot. And then I'm gonna take one cotton swab. I have a syringe. You could dip it or whatever. And then put the acetone on the cotton swab. I always like to just put the acetone on all of the cotton swabs and then put them on my nails. That way I'm not like doing one nail, doing the acetone, putting the cotton swab, blah, 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 blah. Like the whole thing. Just do them all at once. Okay, just make sure you have a generous amount of acetone on the cotton swabs. And then what you're going to do is just take the cotton swab, put it on your finger, put it on your nail, I should say. Take your foil. How do I show you? Place it on your nail, wrap it around. I just wrapped it around, and then fold it. I fold it up, okay? And then now this one's gonna be soaking. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of my nails. So there we have it. Now I'm just gonna wait a little bit and let them soak. Okay, so it's been about 5 to 10 minutes. No, honestly, it's been like 10 minutes. And now we're gonna take the foils off. And then I'm going to be using my cuticle pusher to take off the nail polish. I press away from my nails, not towards my nails. Okay, now all the polish is off. All right, now that I have clean nails, I am going to put a, what is this called? Cuticle remover. Okay, so I just put a little dot of cuticle remover on each of my nails. rub it in. And that one is actually from Sally Hansen, and it works very quickly. So you just rub it in. And then I am just going to push my cuticles back using the same pusher that I used to take off the nail polish before, and just push my cuticles back. My cuticles aren't very bad right now, they're not bad. And then if you went to the nail salon, they would go in after pushing your cuticles with they have like a plier. It's like a needle nose plier kind of looking thing. And then they go in and take all the dead skin off from around your nails. I do have that, but I'm not like that good at using it. And I know a lot of people don't actually have that tool. So for this video, we're not going to use it. And your nails end up looking really good without using that. So if you don't have nail polish on your nails beforehand, then you can start with this part of the process. You could just start with this step. Push back your cuticles, file your nails. You can file your nails before you push back your cuticles, it doesn't matter. I might only file my nails just a little bit. I like to use shellac or gel nail polish because I feel like, well, it doesn't rip my nail off, so it helps my nails grow longer and stronger. And with the gel nail polish, it actually puts like an extra layer on your nails, and that way whatever you're doing extra or whatever everyday tasks, then your nails don't break as often as they would if you just had plain nails, nothing on them at all. And now I'm just gonna go wash my hands. Okay. Now that my hands are washed and dried, what I'm going to do is file my nails. I don't think it really needs it that bad. I do have some, like my, what is this, middle finger is the longest nail, and my thumb finger has the longest nail. But then like you can see my ring finger is pretty short. So I'm gonna leave them about the length that they're at. I want my nails to grow longer. But I'm just gonna file them to just have smooth, just make sure there's no points or jagged edges. And I'm gonna leave them at the different lengths that they are. I like to have like a round, maybe it's called oval, but not too oval. Just kind of file them to however you like your nails to be. Okay, now that I have my nails the shape that I want them to be, I am going to go over them just kind of gently. I'm going to file them. This is going to help the polish adhere to your nails. So I'm just going to take my file block and just brush over my nails. This will help the nail polish last longer. file the top of my nails, I'm just going to use regular rubbing alcohol and with a Q-tip to ensure that I don't have any oils left over on my nails. I am just going to use the alcohol, and this is also going to help the nail polish stay longer. Oops. Typically for me, it lasts about, I do dishes every single day, and it lasts me about a week and a half to 2 weeks long. But honestly, whenever I go to the nail salon, it lasts me about the same amount of time. I don't know how people keep their nails from chipping for longer than 2 weeks. I did my mom's nails probably about 2 weeks ago, July 11th, and her nails are still looking really good. They're just growing, and so I think I'll have to take off her nail polish and do them again. It's been about 2 weeks. It hasn't chipped at all for her. But I mean, I do a lot of DIYs, I do the dishes, I clean the house, I work out, I'm outside doing things. So mine does chip sometimes, depending on what I do. Okay, and now that I have put rubbing alcohol on all of them to take off the oils, I'm going to go with the base coat. Doesn't have to be super thick. I'm gonna just do my left hand first. I'm gonna do the whole entire left hand and then do my right hand once I'm completely done with my left. Okay, I have the base coat on, and I'm going to put it into my light. It has a 15-second, 30-second, and 60-second timer on there. I'm going to be using the 60 seconds. Now that I have my base coat on, I'm going to go with my color. For all of my nails except for my ring finger, I'm going to be using this really pretty blue. For my ring finger, I'm going to be using this really pretty sparkly color. And now that we've already done 2 coats, we're going to use the top coat and do 1 layer of the top coat. This is what is going to set it. You'll notice that if you do buy this particular brand, until you put the top coat on, it's still going to be tacky after you had set it in the UV light. But the top coat is what seals the nail polish. Make sure it's nice and even, and also make sure that you get the tips of your nail really good, because sometimes I forget the tips of the nail. Like sometimes I don't get it all the way on the tip, and it will still be sticky if you don't put the top coat all over the nail. Again, set it for 60 seconds. And there you go. Perfectly beautiful gel nails every single time, and it only took me about 15 minutes. But that's because I had to take off the nail polish. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. And then I will see you next week with another DIY.